Some of the most famous and beautiful piano songs are based on just 4 simple chords, and in this video I will show you which chords these are. So I just played these 4 chords, and I try to sing the melody of River Flows in You a little. Yes, also River Flows in You is based on these chords, or for example Faded by Alan Walker, a little faster. Yeah, and many more songs and beautiful piano pieces are really based on these 4 chords. And if you change the order, even more songs are possible. Okay, so this video is for absolute beginner. And by the way, if you're absolute beginner, also check out my famous and free piano crash course. The link is in the description below. You get some beginner lessons on the piano, like step by step, right into your email inbox. If you like this video, I'm pretty sure you will have a lot of fun with these lessons as well. Okay, so let's start here with the first chord. This is an A minor chord. On the piano we always have 3 black keys, 2, 3, 2, and 3, and so on. Just have a look for 3 black keys, choose the middle one, and then go to the right on the white key. This is the A. This is the A we are searching. This is the bass for the A minor chord, and we play this with the middle finger. Then we play the C with the pinky. That's hard because the pinky is a weak finger, and love's not always doing what you want him to do. And we place the thumb on the E, so that it looks like this: E, A, C. So, and the big challenge now is to play all these 3 notes at the same time. So not like this, but really, bam, all together. Yeah, and the first and the next challenge is to play this chord again and again. So, and I highly recommend pausing the video now and doing this at least 20 times, or better 50 or even 100 times. I know it sounds a lot, but you will make it in just a couple of minutes. It really doesn't take too much time. But this is the key to success. That's the secret key to success, the repetitions. And you can do this very, very slow. If you keep repeating it, your brain will learn this new skill. Yeah, it's something probably you never did in your life before, or something similar. Yeah, and this is why it's so hard to really play all these notes together at the same time, and still be relaxed with your arm also. Yeah, maybe shake it and then try again. Do this at least 20 times, but better 100 times. So, and that's, if you made this, that's probably the hardest part of this whole video. So, in the left hand, we are also searching for this A. So we have the 3 black keys, the middle one, the right one, the white key on the right is the A. We also play this with the middle finger. And then both hands at the same time. Exactly at the same time, not like this, but really 1, 2, yeah. Okay, so that's the next challenge. If you did this, we can go on with the next chord. And have a look what we're doing now. The right hand goes from the E here to the F with the thumb. Just the thumb changes in the right hand. And in the left hand, the A goes to F with the pinky. And that's hard because the pinky in the left hand, I mean, it's probably the weakest finger we have, the left pinky. Okay? So that's the next chord, F major. We are already at chord number 2. And also repeat this a couple of times. Relax your fingers and then go back to the keys. At least 20 times, but better 50 or 100 times. If you did this, and you can always pause the video, then you can go on with A minor, F major. Change these chords. Play this one. The right hand, the thumb goes to the F, and the left hand, the pinky. And then back, thumb goes down, and left hand, middle finger. and take your time. It's totally fine if this takes like forever. If just this chord change takes like a minute for you, that's fine. As long as you repeat this again and again, your brain will learn this new skill, this new hand movement. And by the way, when you go to sleep at night, your brain keeps learning. That's great. Yeah, when you sleep, your brain repeats this while you're sleeping. On the next day, you just have to do some refresh practicing, but then you will notice it will get even better. Okay, great. So these are the first two chords. Let's go to chord number 3. So the left hand goes placed with the thumb, the C. That's the key right before these two black keys. C. And the right hand goes from F and A to E and G with thumb and pointer. So that's the C. So that means the next change is F major, C major. F major, that's the one we had before, and now C major chord. Okay, again, pause the video and repeat this again and again and again and again. Great. Then the next one, G major, the left hand, placed with the ring finger, the G. And the right hand has this hand movement. So the pointer stays on the G, but we play the D with the thumb and with the ring finger the B. And also this is the next practice part, and really take your time to do this. There's really no reason to rush. Pause the video and do this for 3 minutes, just this. Maybe for 5 minutes, but you will be able to make a lot of repetitions in this short amount of time. And this will work like magic. Yeah, suddenly in one day, not only one day, very, very soon in the future. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. It will go like, you will be able to play it very easily. Okay, so that's the last chord. That was the 4th chord. So after this 4th chord, you should still practice from chord number 4 to chord number 1, because we start from scratch. And that's this one. So all these keys go one white key higher. And we don't do this like this. We could do it, yeah, but it's better to change the fingers. So we have thumb, pointer, ring finger, and now we have thumb, middle finger, pinky. And the left hand, A with the middle finger. So that should be your last practice part. You already know the chords, but still it's important just to practice this combination. G major, A minor. G major chord, A minor. So, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and so on. If you have a metronome, many pianos and keyboards do have one built in, or maybe you have an external one that gives you the straight counting bar. That gives you the time. You can play along with this. 2, 3, 4. That's the next practice part, if you have one. Okay, and the last practice part for this video is that you do the following. You play both hands at the same time, and then only the right hand. 2, 3, 4. Again, we stay on the same chord for the beginning. Together, right, right, right. Together, right, right, right. Together, 2, 3, 4. Great. And then the next step, with all the chords. Next chord, together, right, right. together. Right. And yes, these are the 4 chords, and now you are already be able to play a lot of songs, at least the accompaniment, so that you can sing along with this, or maybe you have a singer. Or by the way, it's also a great start. Well, I do have some piano tutorials with the melody of River Flows in You and many other songs. I'll link this down in the description below. You can also have a look at my channel. And I'm always looking forward if you visit my website, werdemusiker.de. And also, I highly recommend getting my free piano lessons. If you made it to this point of the video, I'm pretty sure you will love these lessons, this crash course. So the link is in the description below. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And I'm really looking forward to see you in the next video.